Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking a little bit about banking requirements. And we're particularly talking about the National Flood Insurance Program. And we're going to talk a little bit about the NFIP Risk Rating 2.0 and how your bank's requirements could change on your flood property. So first of all, let's talk about current requirements when it comes to the National Flood Insurance Program and mortgage companies. Now, mortgage companies are required to follow certain federal guidelines. And one of those guidelines is that the most coverage technically they can require through the National Flood Insurance Program is $250,000 on residential properties and $500,000 on commercial properties. And the reason is this is the most coverage NFIP or the National Flood Insurance Program currently offers. However, with the Risk Rating 2.0 scheduled to come out in October 2021, one of the things that's been discussed is offering coverages up to $500,000 on residential properties. So this could very well mean that in the future, banks start changing that requirement. Because if you've got a home that costs $400,000 to replace and you've only got $250,000 in coverage on there, what's going to happen to that difference on the loan? So it's important to understand this when you're purchasing flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program. We hear people say, oh, I only need $250,000 because that's all my bank's requiring. Technically that's all they can require because that's all NFIP offers until this new program, which could offer more, but it could also put property owners in a better situation where more coverage is available. And we see a lot of people where $250,000 is nowhere near what they need, but they're unaware of what's called excess flood, which could fill the gap. So if you've got questions about bank requirements when it comes to flood insurance, what your flood insurance options are, or even minimizing your flood insurance risk, then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you with flood risk. So this right here, your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.